Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload ebooks on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here in the top, you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Here you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here there's sales channels, you're gonna find online store and also point of sale. And lastly here under apps, you're gonna find your applications. You can add apps from here. And lastly here in the bottom, you're gonna find settings. So right now, go ahead and click on products. And then here under products, you're gonna find collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. Go ahead and click on products. And then once you do that right here, you're gonna find this list that includes all of the products that you have on your Shopify online store. So right now, just go here to the top right. You're going to find the option to export products, import. You're going to find some more actions. And lastly, here in the right, you're going to find add a product. Go ahead and click on add product. And then once you do that, also here, add the name of your product, which is your ebook. And then here, you're going to find the this box for description. Make sure you add your description right here. You can generate the text using AI to make it easier. You're going to find media. So basically, you guys, here where you should upload your ebook. Just click on upload new and then search for your ebook right here. And then you can add it. Once you add it, make sure you go to category and then search for ebooks. Go ahead and click on ebooks and then you're good to go. Right now, just go here and then add the price for your product and make sure you add all of the other details right here. And then once you finish, make sure you save your changes and then you're going to be able to add your product to this list. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.